Dereta, dereta, dereta. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, okay. Up, 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 up. No.
Hey friends! Have you ever wondered which K-pop Demon Hunters track was written about you? Well, let's find out in this personality quiz. Just answer 12 quick questions, and at the end, the song that matches your vibe the most will be revealed. So, are you ready? All right then, let's get started. Question number 1. Pick your dream stage. Would it be a small, cozy stage?
Cause you're rotting within. When your pattern starts to show, it makes the hatred want to grow out of my.
A huge stadium?
Turn it up, it's going down. Huntrix showbiz, how it's done, done, done.
A street performance?
Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you.
Or an award show?
Now I'm shining like a butterbeer.
Which stage feels right for you? Make your choice soon. Great choice. Remember these marks and keep adding future ones to them. At the end, we'll see which song is the perfect match for you. Question number 2. Who do you think makes the best couple? Is it Jinu and Rumi, Mystery and Zoe, Abby and Mira, or Roman and Mira? Choose your favorite couple now. Add up those marks to your total. Question number 3. Which lyric line is your favorite? Your idol?
Keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat, good of she in your head.
Soda Pop?
You're all I can think of, every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop.
Golden?
Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be.
Or Free?
Feel right every time I let you in. What does it feel like? I can tell you anything.
Which one speaks to you most? Pick it now. Don't forget to add the marks to your running score. Question number 4. How do your friends describe you? Supportive, funny, determined, or caring? Think about it and choose the one that fits you best. Now add your points into your total score. Question number 5. If you were a musical idol, which fan would you invite to dinner? Those 3 tearful Huntrix fans.
It brings us to tears!
Oh, that's so sweet.
Those 2 Demon fans.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, totally gonna
That's
work.
totally gonna
100%.
Ruginu fan.
Are you whispering? Your secret's safe with me. Oh, so cute.
Or this little one.
Excuse me, Mr. Genu. I made this for you.
Who would you choose? Decide now. Now, and add up the marks to your total. Question number 6. If you were in a K-pop group, what role would you take? The lyricist?
She grew up in America, somewhere called Burbank, USA.
She's the cutest magnet.
But when she rapped,
The choreographer?
Mira's my favorite. She's the visual and lead dancer of Huntrix. Nobody can move like Mira.
The main vocalist?
Hear our voice unwavering till our song defeats the night.
Or the rapper?
Okay, like I know I ramble, but when shoot my words, I go ramble. Took blood, sweat, and tears to look natural. That's how it's done, done, done.
Which one would suit you best? Pick soon. And remember to add it to your total score. Question number 7. If you had the chance to watch one performance live, which would it be? Soda Pop?
You're all I can think of, every drop I drink up.
Your idol?
Because I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher?
Golden? Or How It's Done? Which one would excite you the most? Make your choice. Question number 8. Who is your favorite character in the movie? Dr. Han?
Sit. You need no introduction. So, a problem with your voice.
Mira?
We don't have time to change the lyrics even if we wanted to. The Idol Awards are tomorrow.
Jinu? Or Zoe?
Gotta get up close and insult their stupid faces. They're nasty, disgusting, not beautiful.
Pick the one you love most. And add those marks to your running total. Question number 9. Which scene do you enjoy the most? The Saja Boy entrance? The Huntrix eating moment?
Real number. It is for our fans.
The eye-to-eye scene with Dr. Han and Mira?
Yeah, that's right.
Or the leather has betrayed us moment?
Stop! The leather has betrayed us!
Which scene you enjoy most? Choose now. And keep adding those marks to your total. Question number 10. If you were part of the Demon Hunters group, what role would you take? The leader, the funny one, the caring one, or the supportive one? Who would you be? Decide quickly. Question number 11. How do you usually listen to music? With headphones at night, all out with friends, while studying, or at the gym? How do you enjoy music most of the time? Choose now. Here's the final one. What color feels most like you? Pink, red, yellow, or gold? Which color matches your vibe? Pick it now. Now, add up your last marks to calculate the total that will reveal your perfect song. If you scored 120 to 200 points, your song is free.
Feel right every time I let you in. What does it feel like? I can tell you anything.
You've been carrying a lot inside, always trying to look strong for others. But sometimes, it feels like you're trapped in your own thoughts, unable to show the real you. Deep down, all you want is someone who gives you the freedom to let go and just be yourself. Free is exactly that. It's a song about breaking out of those walls. That's why this song is your perfect match for you. If you scored 200 to 265 points, your song is How It's Done. You're someone who doesn't wait for life to hand you things. You go out and make it happen. You've had people doubt you, maybe even try to bring you down, but you keep proving them wrong. How it's done is about showing your power, owning your moment, and letting the world see what you're capable of. This song matches your strength and confidence perfectly. If you scored 265 to 335 points, your song is your idol.
No, I'm the only one right now. I won't love you more when it all burns down. For the power.
You shine when people look up to you. You have this energy that inspires others, even if you don't always notice it yourself. Your idol is about being that figure who others admire, not because you're perfect, but because you keep going no matter what. This song is your mirror. It shows the way you bring hope and motivation to people around you. If you scored 335 to 400 points, your song is Soda Pop.
Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up. 마시고 마셔봐.
You're the spark in every room. Fun, playful, full of energy. You make life exciting for everyone around you. Soda Pop is bubbly, colorful, and full of joy, just like you. You remind people that it's okay to laugh, to dance, to let loose, even when life gets heavy. That's why this song was made for your vibe. If you scored up to 400 points and beyond, your song is golden. You have a heart that shines brighter than anything, strong, rare, and unforgettable, just like gold. You carry yourself with a kind of glow that inspires people, even when times are tough. Golden is about knowing your worth and embracing the best version of yourself. And that's exactly what your score reveals. You were meant to be golden. All right, friends, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your score in the comments below. Stay tuned for more fun challenges coming soon. Have a nice day.